Now, there's multiple ways of doing this question. There's loads of strategies out there. I'm just going to show you the method I do. I get the coefficient of the x squared, or in this case y squared, and times it by the number at the end. So that's going to give me 24. I then write down the factor pairs of that, which is going to be quite a few. It's 3 and 8, 4 and 6. And work out which of those adds together to make the coefficient of the y. So which of those adds together to make 11? Well, it's these ones, add together to make 11. I then rewrite it, but instead of that plus 11y, I'm going to write plus 3y plus 8y plus 12. So I haven't changed it, I've just split it up into 3y and 8y. Next, I'm just interested in factorising this bit, and then I'm just interested in factorising this bit. So I'm going to factorise the left hand side. Well, there's only a y that I can divide out of both of those, so it'd be 2y plus 3. And here there's going to be 4, so 2y plus 3. Now if you've done this correct, the two brackets here and here should be the same, and you should end up with a letter and a number there. Now the blue ones go together to form a bracket, so y plus 4. And that other bracket that we underlined in green, we just write that once. So our answer to this question is y plus 4, 2y plus 3. And you can write it in any order. Now there's loads of different methods of doing this. This by far, for me, I've found is the easiest to explain and the easiest to do. But if you have a different method, some people do trial and improvement, just keep trying different numbers. It depends on how easy the quadratic is. When you have the coefficient of the x squared being a non-prime number, that can get quite complicated quite quickly.